Good day to you all. Welcome to the GREUS channel. And today we are going to talk about such products as Himalayan salt panels. This is a perfect decor choice as well as the latest trend when it comes to design and wellness. So today, we want to take a closer look at how to make such a panel on your own. Be sure it won't take much time and effort. Let's go. For salt wall panel installation, we will need the following materials: aluminum foil, aluminum tape, plastic mounting adapters, aluminum mounting pipe, aluminum shape, set of LED strip of our own production, as well as Himalayan salt tiles or bricks, which features special openings for dry mounting. In order to assemble the salt wall, we need to prepare the surface and make a structure. To do this, we mount a layer of foil on the wall. If the area allows, it can be one layer in one piece. If it is a large wall and several pieces, we need to seal the joints with aluminum tape. Then we mount the mounting pipe on the wall. Using dowels, we attach it to the wall. The next step is the following. Here inside the pipe, we attach the LED strip. Then we can proceed with assembling the salt wall itself. Let's start the assembly of the salt wall panel. First, we attach the mounting pipe to the floor at the bottom of our structure. Next, we mount the mounting profile on this pipe. When our structure is assembled, we start to mount the salt. To do this, take bricks and the mounting adapters and start the assembly. First, we have a brick. Under it, we put a mounting adapter. And so we go on to fill the first row. A brick with special openings is inserted into the mounting profile. The first row is filled. We need to secure it with a mounting profile. Attach the mounting profile. Now, take out the mounting adapters. And start to fill the next row. The next row is filled in the same sequence. Put a brick and place a mounting adapter below. The next brick and adapter again. The subsequent row is filled. We secure it again with a mounting profile. and take out our mounting adapters. As you can see, everything very fast and easy. In the same way, repeating the steps, we fully assemble the salt panel. We completed the assembly of our illuminated salt panel. By the way, LEDs are easy to operate using this handy remote control. As you could see for yourself, it does not take much effort and time, and as a result, you will get a great interior solution, useful for your health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of interesting things to come. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.